tonight is all about new heights. It's all about creating safe zones for communities to be able to partake in events, be able to put on, I guess, gigs and show some of their films too. It was put on by Aaron and the National Museum of Wales, and yeah, Honey Sessions is just here repping because we've got a couple of our acts performing, and we've also got a documentary showing later.
I think it's very important for young people to see themselves in kind of terms of representation within the MOBO scene of Wales, just because it is kind of lacking and a very kind of big kind of picture, and it's nice just to see yourself as a basic thing. It's nice to see yourself.
I think it's crucial for young people to see representation that looks a lot like them and is from their own communities at all levels. I think it inspires, it creates role models, and most importantly, it champions voices that we've never heard before and allows us to be able to explore stories that we've never been able to explore prior to this.
Tonight's event, I'm hoping that we kind of can start to build bigger networks within kind of black and brown communities and kind of, put together something that's great basically. Like the talent's out there, people are doing the work. I suppose for me, working in a massive institution that's doing a lot of soul searching at the moment, it's about kind of bringing people in and developing relevant spaces. So I just want to be part of that really.
I think it's extremely important for younger people to see representation. I think seeing is believing, and I think the power of actually seeing people who look like you, people who reflect your experiences on screen or doing things that you associate with positivity, whether you realize it or not, always has an impact on you, on the way you think, on the way you move, on your self-confidence, and I think the more of that we have, then the better.
As someone who grew up in rural Pembrokeshire, not having that representation definitely changed my perception of myself in a negative light. So I think it's really important that the younger generations growing up now are seeing people who look like them do the things that they love.
I think for me, Honey Sessions was just, it was almost like I see it as the beginning, as the kind of the origin and the catalyst for all this work and all this change that we're doing, and to kind of see it continue to grow and succeed shows the strength of the idea, of the people behind it. And I think, it just needs to be in the right hands and continue to grow, really.
Being a part of the management team for the Honey Sessions has been, in a way, life-changing. I definitely have found my forte in what I like and what I want to do growing up. I'm only 25, I know that sounds really stupid, but I still have so much life to live. So being a part of the Honey Sessions and just seeing the talent that comes through is so inspiring, and it honestly gets me up in the morning sometimes. So.